Supercharge your academic vocabulary. Flashcards and spaced repetition. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series focusing on academic and professional vocabulary. In today's episode, we're going to explore a very effective strategy to help you expand your academic word list, all vocabulary, using flashcards and spaced repetition. This powerful combination can greatly enhance your recall and understanding of complex academic terms. Flashcards are a time-tested method for studying and memorizing new information. They are small cards that contain a question or a term on one side, and the answer or definition on the other. Flashcards are highly effective because they use active recall and engage your mind in a dynamic way. You're not just passively reading or listening. You're actively trying to remember the information, which leads to stronger memory retention. Spaced repetition is a study technique where reviews are spaced out over increasing intervals of time. Initially, you might review a new term a few times in one day. But as you become more familiar with the term, you'll review it less frequently, maybe once a week, then once a month, and so on. The science behind this technique shows that each review strengthens the memory, and longer intervals between reviews challenge your brain more, which leads to stronger, longer-lasting memories. When you combine flashcards and spaced repetition, you get a powerful learning tool. Here's how to do it. 1. Create flashcards for all terms. Write the term on one side of the card and its definition on the other. 2. Initial review. Go through your flashcards several times, checking your understanding and memory of the term. 3. Spaced repetition. Over time, review the flashcards at longer and longer intervals. If you find a term challenging to remember, review it more frequently. 4. Keep track. Use a system to keep track of when you need to review each term next. This could be a simple calendar system, or an app designed for spaced repetition learning. 5. Continuous addition. As you encounter new terms, add them to your flashcards and include them in your spaced repetition schedule. Remember, the goal isn't to rush through your flashcards as quickly as possible. It's to truly learn and internalize each term so you can recall and use it effortlessly in your academic work. And that wraps up today's video on using flashcards and spaced repetition to supercharge your academic vocabulary learning. By taking the time to create flashcards and using the spaced repetition technique, you'll be well on your way to mastering the academic word list. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Take it at your own pace and enjoy the process. See you in our next video.